guys. Welcome back to Drive Vault. You know, every once in a while, something comes along in the RV world that just stops you in your tracks. And right now, it's Tesla's turn to shake things up. Yes, Tesla has taken their futuristic DNA, the same design language we first saw with the Cybertruck, and stretched it into something absolutely wild. A full-blown motorhome. And let me tell you, this thing doesn't look like anything else you've ever seen on the road. From the outside, it almost looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie. Sharp, angular panels in a matte gunmetal gray finish, edges glowing with golden LED light strips, and that aggressive six-wheel stance that makes it look ready for the apocalypse. Or maybe just the ultimate road trip. It's massive, somewhere around 40 to 45 feet long, with a low, sleek profile that somehow balances toughness with elegance. It's basically the Cybertruck's big, grown-up cousin that decided to become a luxury home on wheels. And the vibe isn't just rugged. This thing oozes class. Tesla stamped their name loud and proud across the body, lit up so you can spot it a mile away. The wheel arches and door frames glow in warm, golden tones at night, which, honestly, makes it look less like an RV and more like a spaceship parked in some luxury showroom. The stance is commanding, the design is daring, and it's very clear Tesla isn't just dipping a toe into the motorhome market, they're kicking the door wide open. Now, step inside, and it gets even more impressive. Tesla has kept the same futuristic edge, but softened it with just the right amount of warmth, so it doesn't feel like you're living inside a machine. Picture this: a living area with a plush, modular leather sofa, soft gold stitching, a coffee table made of walnut wood, and an entertainment system that doubles as a panoramic virtual window. Ambient golden LED lighting runs along the walls, giving everything a cozy glow. It feels less like an RV and more like stepping into a luxury city apartment. Except this one can roll. Down the highway at 80 miles an hour, move further in, and you find a kitchen that feels tailor-made for someone who doesn't want to compromise. Just because they're traveling, we're talking sleek quartz countertops, induction cooking surfaces powered by Tesla's battery tech, hidden storage everywhere, and even a built-in espresso machine. It's compact, but extremely functional, with natural light pouring in from cleverly placed windows that connect you to the scenery outside. And when it's time to wind down, the bedroom is straight out of a boutique hotel. A king-size bed, upholstered walls for soundproofing, soft linens, gold accent lighting, and a panoramic rear window that can frame a mountain range or a desert night sky. It's private, it's serene, and it's everything you'd want after a long day of adventure. Of course, no luxury motorhome is complete without a spa-like bathroom. Tesla didn't skimp here either. There's a walk-in rain shower with black porcelain tiles streaked with gold veining, a floating vanity with smart mirrors that can display your air quality or even your route plan, and heated flooring to make those chilly mornings a little easier. It's not oversized, but it feels carefully designed to give you the most comfort in the least amount of space. Now let's talk about the part everyone's been curious about: performance. This isn't just a rolling apartment, it's still a Tesla at heart. Expect a dual or even tri-motor setup, pushing serious horsepower to all 6 wheels, with instant torque that makes even a 40-foot RV feel surprisingly agile. The massive battery packs under the floor are rumored to deliver a range in the 500-mile ballpark, and of course, you get access to Tesla's supercharger network for quick top-ups. Add in features like full self-driving capability, smart energy management, and even solar assist panels hidden on the roof. And you've got the most advanced RV drivetrain ever imagined. And here's what really excites me. This isn't just about luxury, it's about freedom. Imagine taking this thing off-grid for days at a time, with enough battery power to run your appliances, your lights, your entertainment, and still get you hundreds of miles back to civilization. No noisy generators, no constant fuel stops. Just clean, quiet electric power with Tesla's brainy software making sure everything runs smoothly. Now, obviously, all of this doesn't come cheap. While Tesla hasn't officially stamped a price tag on it yet, insiders are estimating somewhere in the $500,000 range, maybe even higher depending on customization. And yeah, that's a serious chunk of change. But let's be honest, this isn't aimed at the casual weekend camper. This is for the buyer who wants the ultimate blend of adventure, technology, and comfort. Someone who wants to turn heads at every campground, and maybe never book another hotel room again. So the big question is, does this Tesla motorhome live up to the hype? Well, if you ask me, it's not just a motorhome. It's a statement. It's Tesla saying the future of travel isn't about compromises. It's about bringing the comforts of home, the thrill of the open road, and the power of clean energy together in one incredible machine. And honestly, whether you'd actually buy one or not, you can't deny it's fun to imagine what it would feel like pulling into a campsite in a six-wheeled, glowing electric spaceship of an RV. Because love it or hate it, this thing is going to turn heads. And maybe, just maybe, change the way we think about motorhomes forever.